going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I just installed this Toce exhaust. This shit's pretty loud and it sounds really nice. Yeah, I'm just testing it out, riding around. Yep. Alright, guys. It sounds really deep. You know, like what I said, I did a lot of research on what exhaust I should get. You know, I looked into Yoshimura's, Akrapovic, or however you want to call that, the Toce, and well, yeah, like what I said, I felt like this is like the best looking and sounding exhaust that'll fit my bike. I really love the sound. Right now I'm just heading over to my friend's house just to kick it for a little bit. You know, because I wanted to test this exhaust. This is actually my first time riding my bike with the exhaust installed, and so far I love it. The weather's pretty nice right now too. Sun's out. Perfect weather for riding. Definitely something's burning over there. Holy shit. right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video here. Stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe.